Omicron COVID-19 variant cases in India jumped by 309 in the last 24 hours, taking the tally to 1,270. It is the biggest one-day jump in Omicron cases in India. The variant has now spread to 23 states and union territories. Maharashtra has reported 450 Omicron cases so far, the highest among all states and union territories, followed by Delhi with 320 Omicron cases. Congress emerged as the single largest party, winning 498 of 1,184 seats in Karnataka urban local body polls. BJP won 437 seats, Janata Dal Secular won 45 and others won 204 seats. Congress registered a vote share of 42.06% votes. The polls were held for 58 urban local bodies consisting of 1,184 wards in 20 districts in Karnataka. After China said it has standardized names for 15 places in Arunachal Pradesh in its own language, India said Arunachal Pradesh will always be an integral part of India. Assigning invented names to place in Arunachal Pradesh doesn't alter this fact. Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Arindam Bagchi said, "This isn't the first time China has attempted such a renaming of places in India," he added. 3 terrorists were killed in an encounter with security forces in Srinagar today, and incriminating materials including arms and ammunition were recovered, the Kashmir Zone Police said. One of the killed terrorists have been identified as Suhail Ahmed Rather of terror outfit Jaish-e-Mohammed. Suhail was involved in the Zewan terror attack, the police further said. International passengers testing positive upon arrival at Delhi airport will have to isolate at designated paid and free facilities, including hotels and COVID-19 care centers set up by district authorities, the Delhi government said. Earlier, international passengers who would test positive for COVID-19 upon arrival at the Indira Gandhi International Airport would be taken to hospitals. Israel has approved a 4th vaccine dose for people most vulnerable to COVID-19, becoming the first country to do so amid a COVID-19 surge due to the Omicron variant. The doses would initially be given to those with weakened immune systems, Health Ministry Director General Nachman Ash said. Around 4.2 million Israelis have received all 3 vaccine doses so far. With rupees 18.5 crore prize pool, National Poker Series India, hosted on PokerBaazi.com, will search for India's next poker medalist from 6th to 20th of March 2022. 3 players with the most medals will reach the NPS podium and represent India in Las Vegas, United States. Golden Rush tournament has returned promising rupees 1 crore prize pool at rupees 550 entry. NPS 2021 witnessed 83,000 plus entries across 64 tournaments.